Okay. Put your left hand on the back. Ang lalaroin natin ngayon ay
Do not touch the
do
color.
not touch the color. Sepi, lapit-lapit mo yung lapit mo yung mga color, anak. Yan. Okay. Ang mga color na nandyan sa inyo ay
Green.
3. Isang red, isang violet, at isang
Yellow.
yellow. Okay. Practice. Pag sinabi ni Mami, do not touch the color red. Titigil niyo yung kamay niyo, red. Purple. Yellow. Purple. Talo si Sayon.
Ano ka touch the color?
Do not.
Ano?
Diba, do not touch the color tayo? Okay, ayusin ang paper. Ayos. Ayusin. Okay? O, ready? Tunay na game na, ha?
Dito, dito.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Do not touch the color red, purple, yellow, green. Wala namang green, ha? Sayang, hindi yan ang gamit mo, ha? Left. Ang left hand nasa likod, ang right hand ang gagamitin. Ready? Again. One more. Do not touch the color yellow. Pag ano lang hand, sayang, ha? Yan. Purple. Ayos yung paper. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. One more. Yellow. Yellow. Purple. Red. Red. Purple. Strike 2, ha? Last na, pag nagkamali, out na, ha? Okay? Ready? Touch ko sa'yo. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Okay. Do not touch the color red.
Inaayos ko.
Yellow. Red. Purple. Red. Purple.
Tinatalo na ako.
Yellow. Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Purple. Red. Yellow. Red. Purple. Out na si Sian. Pero lang ka pa rin. Sali ka pa rin. Okay, ready? Ready? Red. Yellow. Yellow. Nag-touch ka sa yellow ulit. Purple. Purple. Red. Purple. Red. Purple. Red. Yellow.
Ano? Oh.
Hands up. Do not touch the color red, purple, yellow, yellow, red, purple, red, purple, purple,
Ha?
purple, red, purple.
Oh! Strike one, strike one.
Hindi na. Panalo si... Ay, strike 1. Sige, strike 1. Do not touch the color yellow, red, purple, red, yellow, purple, red, red, purple, red, yellow, yellow, red, purple, red,
Ano?
purple, Red. Kaya nga makikinig kayo. Purple. Nag-red ka na.
Ito, sabi mo purple.
Purple.
Oh, purple. Nandito ako.
Red. Yellow. Yellow. Oh!
Wala.
Daya. Yellow. Red. Purple. Purple. Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Purple. Red. Purple. Red. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. Red. Purple. Red. Purple. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Daya ka sa kanya.
Wala.
Kanina mo pa nakita ko sa video. Yellow. Purple. Red. Purple. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Purple. Purple. Red. Oh, see? Napunta ka dun sa red eh. Dapat, nagtataas, hindi yung nagaganon. Oh, hands up. Strike to ka na ha. Strike to ka na. Do not touch the color red, yellow, purple, yellow, red, purple, yellow, red, purple, red, yellow, purple. Sino nagkamali? Sete. Strike one. Strike one. Oh. Huwag nagagalit. Oh, ready? Raise your hand. And 3, 2, 1. Do not touch the color red, yellow, purple, red, purple, yellow, red, purple, red, yellow, red, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. Oh, purple.
Ang bilis mo!
Ganun talaga yun. Touch the, do not touch the color red, purple, yellow, red, yellow, red, purple, red, purple, yellow, yellow, purple, purple, red, yellow. Uy, ikaw na, mali-mali ka na. Tama ba? Do not touch the color. Game. Again. Do not touch the color. Yellow. Red. Purple. Red. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Red. And the winner is Kuya Sebi. Ulit na naman. Okay. One more, ganyan ulit. Maganda ba yan?
Hindi ka na kasali.
Touch the... Ay, pag touch the color, madali lang yun.
Sige na.
Pag sinabi ko touch the color red, hindi alam mo na agad.
Okay.
Red, yellow, red. O, do not touch the color. Maganda. Hindi pwede mag-stay sa isang kulay. O, shuffle. Movement nasa right. Nasa left. Yung purple nasa middle. Nasa right. Purple nasa right. Siyan right. Ang purple mo nasa right mo. Baliktad. Ganun, kagaya kay Kuya Sayon. Yan. Sepi.
Dapat dalawang color niya.
Alisin mo yung isang paper, anak. Yan. Yan. Ready. Dikit-dikit. Huwag mo yung paglayo-layo din. Yan. Nagalayo-layo na kaunti. Ready. Bawal umulit ang hawak, ha? O, do not. Oo, lilipat ang hand. Do not touch the color red. Purple. Red. Purple. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. Ay, nag-purple ka na. Nag-purple ka na eh. Sepi na, ulit ka. Dapat lilipat ka, mag-change ka. Oh, again, practice lang yon. Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1, touch the color. Do not touch the color. Yellow. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Purple. Oh, naulit ka eh. Umulit mo yung si Sayon. Purple dapat nasa ilo. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. Red. Lilipat. Yan. Ganyan ha. Okay. Game. Again. O, tunay na ha. Raise your hand. Ha? Oh. Do not touch the color. Purple. Yellow. Red. Purple. Yellow. Red. Purple. Yellow. Red. Purple. Purple. Ay, hindi ganyan, ganyan. Buong hand. Yan. Yellow. Purple. Red. Yellow. Red. Purple. Yellow. Red. Sayang sa akin. Yellow. Purple. Bagal ni Sepi. Yellow. Bibilisan ko na ha. Yellow. Purple. Red. Purple. Yellow. Red. Red. Purple. Yellow. Red. Purple. Purple. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Purple. Red. Yellow. Red. Purple. Ito, nag-red ka. Red. Makikita ko din yan sa video. Wala nang manalo. Ang gagaling nyo na. Okay, bibilisan na yung laki ha. Red. Purple. Nakahawak sa purple. Red. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Red. Yellow. Purple. Purple. Yellow. Sino si Sepi? Mali. Kamali ka? Huwag ka nagagalit. B-sport. Hindi naman music. Ano yan? Ah? Ready? Yellow, red, purple, yellow, red, purple, yellow,